how to attract more buyers when selling your house. How? We'll talk about that in a minute. Hey there, this is KG. I'm a realtor with Fairfax Realty in Greenbelt, where we help buyers to buy a dream home and sellers to sell their houses, and we do this in the Maryland, DC, and Virginia region. So if you're looking to buy, sell, move, or invest in real estate, contact us below. We'll take care of you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get updates once we upload a new video. So the question is how to attract more buyers. So you're a homeowner, a potential seller, you're thinking about selling your house, the market is hot. It's a seller's market, but you still need to attract buyers to your house, because believe it or not, there are some houses that are still sitting in the market, in this seller's market. Why? Because the sellers did not do what they're supposed to do. So I'm going to discuss a few ways, things that you need to do to attract more buyers to your house. And what does more buyers mean? More buyers, when you attract more buyers to your house, that means more people interested, more offers you will get. Multiple offers means more money for you, more money. So, and the quicker you sell, the quicker you can move on with your life. So let's talk about things that you can do that's not going to break bank to attract more buyers. Curb appeal. Number one, curb appeal. So step out of your house. Be sincere. Look around. Do you like what you're seeing? Are your yard unkept? Do you have shingles flying all around? Do you have moldy around your sidings? Mailbox. What's going on with your mailbox? All dangling? No, you want to make sure you fix it. Do you have your address, your number, the house number on your mailbox? Is it visible from the outside? Lights. What about your lights? Outside lights. Is it bright or rusty? Coming into your house, is the door just junked up, like peeling paint? I mean, be sincere. What about your curtain? I mean, I've seen people that have bed sheets in their windows and they're selling house. Like, yo, you can do that. So look at your curtain from the outside. Is this going to attract a buyers? So curb appeal. Number one, make sure your curb appeal is appealing. Listen, first impression really go a long way. You really do not want buyers to make up their mind even before they step into your house. Number two, color. Painting. Paint is cheap, right? Not cheap, but it's cheap, but it goes a long way to brighten a house. So you really do not have to paint in white or beige. Experiments, do gray, light green, but don't go overboard. Don't be putting yellow or blue. You may like those colors and they're good, or you have boys' room that you have blue there, or pink in the girls' room. All those are good, but not all buyers like it. And the more buyers you can attract, the quicker you can sell. So go with a lighter color. Gray color is good. Flooring. If you have hardwood floor, it's messy and expensive to do floor refurbishing. I understand that. Can you do floor screen? Screen is where they scrape a little bit and now apply the polyethylene paint. It's not as expensive as refurbishing, but it still yields most of the same results. So look at screening your hardwood floor. Don't just leave it dirty and dingy with all the spots. Make an effort. Bathroom and kitchen upgrade. If you have to do anything money wise, you want to spend more money in your kitchen and in your bathroom. So let's talk about kitchen. So if your budget is light, you don't need to break the bank. So cabinets, can you restand and repaint your cabinet? Can you change the cabinet hardware? I mean, all these things just pop. Buy a new hardware on your cabinet knobs and put it in there, right? Can you look at the flooring? Can you change the flooring to tile instead of the thing that is there now that is peeling? Want to look at it. What about your appliances? Are you able to afford to buy a new appliance? this will go a long way to attract buyers, because that's the whole goal. Lights, kitchen lights. Is your kitchen light bright? You want it to be bright. I mean, kitchen lights is not that expensive, so invest in this. What about your faucet, kitchen faucet? You don't have to buy top of the line, buy mid-range. In fact, buy the cheapest one as long as it's new, right? So think about your kitchen. Bathroom, check out your cabinets. Is your cabinet dated? Is your mirror dated? Invest in cabinets and mirrors to attract buyers. Lighting in the bathroom as well. Look at your tub. Do you have mold all around? You want to take care of those things. Caulking, do a fresh caulking all around your bathroom. Change your bathroom if you have shower curtain. I've been to houses where the shower curtain is so moldy on the inside because they've been using it and they're not thinking about buyers coming in and looking at it. But you have to think about this thing. Change the shower curtain. That one doesn't cost that much, right? Change the shower curtain. Change the lights, the bathroom light as well. All these things will attract more buyers. More buyers mean more money. What about putting crown molding in your living room? Yes, crown molding will just make your house pop. Like, makes it good. So if you can afford to put a crown molding in the living room and the dining room, go ahead and do it. This will attract more buyers. What about your closet? Can you declutter? And you should declutter, really. Your closets in the bedrooms, you want those closets to be half full, not all the way full. You want it to be half full because we want buyers to visualize themselves in the house, in the closet, in the bedroom. So make it half full. Make sure you make your bed every morning. Like, yeah, if you're selling your house, all these things is discomfort for a while, but remember the goal: attract more buyers, more money. Kitchen. Make sure you keep your kitchen countertop clean. Very hard to do if you have children, you're living in the house, but you want to make it clean, nothing on it. And definitely don't leave dirty dishes in your sink. That is a no-no. Put those dishes in your dishwasher if you have one. If not, try and clean those dishes before a buyer comes in and put them away. We don't want them on the kitchen cabinet. Now, if you have a small appliance like a coffee maker, that's fine. You can leave them there. But we want the kitchen countertop to be as clean as possible. Finally, hire a home inspector. Why? Because home inspector can tell you objectively things that you need to do, and you can take care of those things, and you should take care of those things before you put your house in the market. Now listen, it does not mean the buyer's home inspector, when you do eventually get a buyer, it's not going to find things when they do their home inspection. They're going to find things, because look at it this way: how can a buyer come in, pay a home inspector, and the home inspector look at the house like, oh, everything is fine? Heck to the no. They're going to find things, but the most important thing is you have really taken care of so many things that can come up, major items that can come up that can derail your sale. You've taken care of those because you've already hired a home inspector before you put the house in the market. So remember the goal. The goal is to attract more buyers, and like I said, more buyers mean more money. So do these things before you put your house in the market for sale. So listen, if you're looking to sell in this market, attract more buyers, get more money, contact us below. Take care of you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get updates once we upload a new video. Happy selling.